It is kayak time.
Woohoo.
Going with the ladies, Tina, Jacqueline. We're gonna head out to the rapids. We're gonna head to that point right there. I'll be able to film there. I can't film on kayak because you gotta keep a steady pace or you just float in all directions that way. And then we're gonna hug the shore and head around that island. And then we'll poop out that way and come through the rapids. I can film during the rapids because I don't have to paddle. That'll be cool. Just made it to that point. Tina just floated by. Jacqueline's on her way. Oh, I'm gonna lose my paddle. There goes Jacqueline. I'm just chilling. It's all sheltered here. I can hear the rapids over there. You can probably see them. Oh, I'm rocking the kayak. Okay. Yeah, that's the rapids right there. So we're gonna go the other way. It's a little easier to get up, and then we're gonna come back through them. Just left the point. Heading around the island. The ladies are up ahead. The second you get around that vegetation right ahead of them, that's where you gotta go up some rapids. It's not as bad as what I just showed over there, but they're still flowing. You can hear them from here. And it'll catch up to them. So at the point of vegetation right here, that's the little rest spot before it gets hard. You get around that bend and it's just rapids. You can see how fast the water is flowing. So yeah, we're gonna take it head on. Alright, I'm at the vegetation. Here we go. We're going first. I'm gonna head up behind them. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh crap. It's so hard. You only got one shot at it too. Because you get too tired, there's no going back. There's nowhere to rest. You just gotta paddle and paddle and paddle hard. Yeah, they're not even moving right now. Yesterday I did it in Tina's kayak. The orange one, it's the fat style one. Hard to tip, but it catches a lot of water. Oh, we're making some ground now. I'm in the ones that you want to do backcountry trips with, the narrower ones. Cuts the water a lot easier. If they wanted that one, I just had to pick the kayak you want. So, maybe they could beach it in the weeds up there, but I don't know. Oh, they're making it, good. Got a long way to go though. You gotta go a good 200 meters. They might have covered 50 so far. It's hard. Tina's going for it. Hugging the shore, just going for it. Alright, I'll catch up. Alright, so we're almost through. We're just resting in a little cove right here.
Found another one.
Yeah, like this shouldn't even be here. The water level was so high from so much rain.
Yeah, I think it's higher than yesterday.
And a ridiculous amount of snow melt. I don't know, I stuck a stick at the shore. We'll see if it raises today. I put it in this morning. Anyways, so here's the rapids. So we gotta pass a little bit more before we get to the flat water ahead. Let's go around the island.
You see the current. It's pretty fast here.
Oh yeah, this current's crazy. Hardest leg right here. It's good we broke it up. Yesterday we kind of did it in one shot. Yeah, see, it just takes you. It's crazy. It's a good challenge. Go, Tuna, go! Oh, Jacqueline's got a good path there. Go, Jacqueline, go, you're doing it, keep paddling! Oh! 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 Push through it, push through it! Oh. God, I'm getting tired. Maybe she can rest. Yep, coming back. He is almost there. Almost there, you can see it. getting to the flat water now. I think she broke it. So you take another crack at it?
Yep. Come on, Tina, go!
Sweet. I'm gonna head out there now. We did it! All three of us are in the club. Woo!
Yay, we did it! Ah, it's a lot of work.
There's the rapids. So, I'm starting to drift towards them. But we're gonna go around the island. I'm gonna film going down the rapids. That's gonna be fun. Nice, easy, flat water here. And I can see a 1,200-foot mountain over the trees. That's in Quebec. North end of the Gatineau Hills. It's kind of strange. The sun is setting west into Quebec. Heading around the other side. We're doing hardly any work at all. I'm just keeping myself straight. And we're moving a good 3-4K an hour. Here's the shore for perspective, floating by. And so here comes the rapids. We're gonna float down. Can't wait, the work's done. And we came from that cottage over there. There's the rapids, we're getting close to them. And that's Quebec over here. So that's a Quebec cottage. Pretty interesting. Rapids! Rapids! Trying to steer with one hand. Rapids! Oh, the boat's going straight now. Oh wait, I'm gonna jam that paddle on that side. Let's straighten myself out. Woo! I was getting tossed around like in a pot of stew, pot of soup. Sweet. Tuna's coming back. Just having fun. Tuna!